Yo, what's up everyone? You've probably heard that Kendrick Lamar is one of the greatest rappers of all time, right? But do you really know the story behind this genius? Today I'm going to tell you 10 facts about him that will blow your mind. So, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. 1. A childhood in the midst of chaos. Kendrick was born in Compton, one of the most dangerous places in the US during the 90s. His childhood was surrounded by gangs, violence, and drugs. But instead of going down that path, he found refuge in music. And here's something crazy. In 1995, when he was only 8 years old, he saw Tupac and Dr. Dre filming the California Love music video in his neighborhood. Little did he know that one day, he'd be on their level. Kendrick doesn't do drugs. It may sound unbelievable, but despite growing up in a rough environment, Kendrick has never done drugs or drunk alcohol. He has always said that he saw how destructive it was and decided to stay away. A rapper who never touched any of that? That's rare in hip-hop. 3. He's written for other big rappers. Besides being an insane lyricist, Kendrick is also a gifted songwriter. He has written lyrics for several famous artists, including Dr. Dre and even Eminem. That's right, Slim Shady himself has had verses written by Kendrick. 4. The King of New York controversy. In 2013, Kendrick dropped a verse on Control by Big Sean, where he basically declared war on every rapper in the game, calling himself the King of New York, even though he's from California. The hip-hop world lost its mind and tons of artists responded to his challenge. This guy isn't afraid to stir things up. 5. A highly awarded and respected rapper. Kendrick has won over 17 Grammys and even a Pulitzer. That's right, he was the first rapper ever to win a Pulitzer Prize for music with his album Damn. This proves that his talent goes way beyond rap. He's recognized as a true modern poet. 6. He took almost 5 years to drop a new album, after releasing Damn. In 2017, Kendrick disappeared for almost 5 years. Fans started freaking out, thinking he might never come back. But then, in 2022, he returned with Mr. Morale and the Big Steppers, a deep and personal album. And it was definitely worth the wait. 7. He turned down a song with Eminem. Speaking of Eminem, did you know that Kendrick once turned down a collab with him? Yep. Apparently Eminem wanted something more commercial and Kendrick, who's a total perfectionist, wasn't feeling it. Do you think this collab could still happen someday? 8. He's extremely private. Unlike many rappers who love flaunting their lifestyle online, Kendrick is super low-key. He barely posts anything, rarely shows up at events and lives far from the spotlight. A true rap ninja. 9. He helped produce the Black Panther soundtrack. The Black Panther album was supervised by Kendrick himself. He not only helped select the tracks but also composed several of them, including All the Stars with SZA, which became one of the biggest hits of the time. 10. He denied being the greatest of all time. Despite all his success, Kendrick has repeatedly said that he doesn't consider himself the greatest rapper of all time. He believes his legacy goes beyond music. He wants to be remembered as an artist who changed lives, not just as an incredible MC. That's some insane humility. So, which of these facts surprised you the most? Drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.